Hawaii Center.
How's it, everybody? All right. All right. Hey, good to have you guys all here. We call ourselves Capenna. Welcome to our basement over here. And we'll be doing all kinds of music for you tonight. I'd like to introduce to you the group members. On bass, Tivani James over here on keyboards, Mr. Elton McCaig on drums, and Brother Timo over here on guitar, and myself, Kelly Boy Dilima. We're doing some songs from our new album and also some old songs from our other albums. This is a song of our brand new album, Wild Heart, a song entitled Island Styling.
People that live in the country, city folks too, they like to hear the tunes. Everybody loves a little music. Some people want something they can dance to. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's natural. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. That's natural. Ooh, yeah. That's natural in the islands. Ooh, yeah. That's natural. Salates crashing waves, moonlight, children playing under moon and night. Yeah. Children playing at the park nearby. Just another day in paradise. 'Cause everybody is island styling. Chic on the boat singing, ooh yeah, that's natural. Yeah. Ooh, oh, that's natural. Yeah, yeah. Ooh yeah, that's natural. Ooh yeah, that's natural. Well, island music's got a different style. Songs that make you laugh, songs that make you cry. Well, I don't know what it's all leading to, yeah. Island music is for me and for you, girl. 'Cause everybody is island styling. She on the boat singing, ooh, yeah. That's natural in the islands. Ooh, yeah. That's natural. Ooh, yeah. That's natural. Ooh, yeah. That's natural. Yo, James, kick it, baby. All right. All the feelings right, yeah. Ooh, yeah, that's natural. Ooh, yeah, 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 that's natural. Ooh, that's natural. Ooh, yeah, that's natural. Here we go, baby. The Manao boys, they've got the groove. Oh, Akane's got the jockey move, yeah. Uncle Willie K will make your day. Capenna's here to make everybody party. Come on, party, baby. 'Cause everybody is island styling. She on the board singing, ooh, that's natural. Ooh, yeah, that's natural. Come on, everybody, put it together now. Ooh, yeah, that's natural. All right. Ooh, yeah, that's natural. Oh, kick it. Ooh, yeah, that's natural. Ooh, yeah, 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 that's natural. Ooh, yeah, that's natural. Ooh, that's natural. 2 times, baby, now. Ooh, that's natural. That's natural. That's natural. That's natural in the island. Island music is for me and for you, girl. 'Cause everybody is island styling.
Now the people of Hawaii find it natural to move, and the boys of Kapena find it natural to groove. So if you get a funky rhythm and you know it's gonna jam, and then you know what you Kapena island style. Now man, they find the drama to the different style. Like Kapena got to be the judge the whole world now. Men can love a woman, me say woman love your man. And if you love Kapena, then your island styling. Natural for Kapena, true for some lesser sound. Make it natural for the master to jump up in the Kapena crew. I'll go come, we'll go give you one day chance. And then you shake up landing in the island styling. Ooh, yeah, that's natural. Ooh, that's natural. Oh, yeah. Ooh. All right, everybody. We call ourselves Kapena. Oh, wow. Come on, you guys. One more time. I tell you, we got a lively bunch down here, ladies and gentlemen. And hey, if you're sitting down on your couch, this song takes you to the island of Samoa. And if you feel like dancing out there, just jump on your sofa or whatever you like do. And this is a song that takes you to the island of Samoa, like I said earlier. And is a song of our brand new album, Wild Heart. Brother James, kick it up, man.
Malie, Tangifa, Malie, Tangifa, Tafafa, Tefa, Ai, Sitatai, Unilo, Leve, Muao. Malie, Tangifa, Malie, Tangifa, Tafafa, Tefa, Ai, Sitatai, Unilo, Leve, Muao. Talo Fatele, how are you today? Do you remember me, baby? Won't you come and play? Fa ale fa longo, tawale manaya, satsele sawiya, say hello for maya. Talo Fatele, how are you today? Will you remember me, baby? Won't you come and play? Fa ale fa longo, tawale manaya, tatsele sawiya, say hello for Maya. South Sata, tia 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 louder, tia tia in the Monday. Fa along, let's say on the radio. South Sata, tia 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 louder, tia tia in the Monday. Fa along, let's say on the radio. Mama yole aso, ewa iyo gorasani, sing the air sawiya. You're my only handy. Some say that if I ever ande yo, if I'm a tombo. Tama safari, safety, if I long. Any boys? You're my only handy. Some say that if I ever ande yo, if I'm a togo. Tama safari, safety, if I long along. Some say that tia 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 louder, tia tia na mande. Fa along, let's say on the radio. Some say that tia 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 louder, tia tia na mande. Fa along, let's say on the radio. Sulu lele manue, sulu lele manue. Sale la siva lele manue. Sulu lele manue, sulu lele manue. Sale la siva lele manue. Sale la siva lele manue.
Malo to the island of Samoa.
Hello. Yeah. Thank you.
Mahalo. I'd like to now dedicate this song out to all of our friends from the island of Fiji. And I would like to, let you know, ladies and gentlemen, that on this album, Wild Heart, we have a variety of music on it. And we like to do all kinds of music, from reggae to Hawaiian to South Pacific music and all kinds. And this is a song that just so happens to take us to the island of Fiji. And goes out to all of our Fijian friends over here down at BYU and wherever you might be. A song entitled Masese. Okay, now everybody put your hands together like this. Come on now. Hey, we're having a party down here. All right. All right, here we go. Come on, y'all, get them now.
Oi massa essa e macese 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 massa essa e macese 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 massa essa e macese Yangona, 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 Yanga Onga, Yangona, Tabaco, 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 Taba Aka, O Tabaco, Ausara, Lowa, 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 Lowa,
Here we go, here we go. Come on, everybody, don't stop now. Put it together. Here we go. All right. Yeah, we're having a good time down here.
Massa essa e macese 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 massa essa e macese Angona, Angona, Angona Yanga Onga, Angona Tabaco, Tabaco, Tabaco Tava Aka, O Tabaco Ausarara, Warara, Wakoyo Kanoa, Koyo Kanoa, Koyo Masarara, Warara Kanoa, Koyo You must say what I'm Ausarara, Warara, Wakoyo Kanoa, Koyo Kanoa, Koyo Masarara, Warara Kanoa, Koyo You must say what I'm
Bulavinaka beach side to the island of Fiji. Bulavinaka, yeah. Thank you.
Hello.
On Box 13.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hot Hawaiian Nights. I'm Kelly Boy DeLima, and I'd like to introduce to you my special guest over here on guitar, Mr. Solo Pomantigan, Mr. Daniel Naipo, two brothers Ernest and Irving Chang. Ladies and gentlemen, Tropical Nights.
Yeah, aloha everybody. We're the Tropical Nights, like Kelly Boy said. We're going to do for you our newest song written by Mr. Dan Naipo here, a song simply called Cry.
Please don't tell me that you're leaving. Please don't say you're gonna go away. 'Cause if you leave me, I'll be aching. And I'll cry, 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 cry. And I'll cry, 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 cry. Tell me why we always wait too long. Figure out that there is something wrong. Why we always end up all alone. And then we cry, 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 cry. And we cry, 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 cry. What can I do? What can I say to make you see? I want you to stay, or I'll cry, 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 cry. Or I'll cry, 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 cry. Ever since we've been together, seems that things have gone from bad to worse. Won't you give me just another chance? And I'll try, 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 try. And I'll try, 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 try. Let me prove to you I love you, girl. And if I ever make you blue, then I promise I won't stop you, girl. When you say bye, 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 bye. You say bye, 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 bye. What can I do? What can I say to make you see? I want you to stay, or I'll cry, 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 cry. Or I'll cry, 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 cry. Or I'll cry, 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 cry. Or I'll cry, 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 cry. Or I'll cry, 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 cry.
Thank you. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank some special guests of ours, Tropical Nights. Thank them for coming down. We'd also like to thank our studio audience over here and also our friends and family at home. And this year, Kapena makes 10 years of performing and playing music, and we owe it all to all of our friends and family for supporting us throughout the years. And we'd like to dedicate this song to all of them. And this is a song of our brand new album, Wild Heart, again. A song entitled The Singer Man.
singing sweet harmony? Yeah. Single man, sing me a song. Single man, sing me a song. Feel one soul, feel one soul, feel one soul. Are you singing sweet harmony? Are you singing sweet harmony? Yeah. Sing the band, sing me a song. Sing the band, sing me a song. Feel one soul, feel one soul, feel one soul. Sing a man's here to rock this town. Sing right into your body and rock you around. Cause it's one of my own mission. I rap and I sing, cause every day throughout the year, yeah, we do our thing. Capena is a crew, singing no man. Kiva, Timo, Kelly Boy, and yeah, Eastlands. Heinz Kigaya, Capena rocks out the K to the A's in the house to move ya. So come on, as we go off, take you on a trip, show you who's the boss. But kick and choke flavor, yes, once again. Cause right about now, we're rocking all the island's natives. Feel one soul, feel one soul, feel one soul. Are you singing sweet harmony? Are you singing sweet harmony? Yeah. Sing the band, sing me a song. Sing the band, sing me a song. Feel one soul, feel one soul, feel one soul. So when you hear this song, take time, stop and think about the single man and just how deep he can really go. I gotta let you know, sing right into your body and rock your soul. So get up, y'all. Don't you dare sit down, cause the single man's here to rock this town. Get brown and proud. Capena's in the house. Pieces going out to the single man. Feel one soul, feel one soul, feel one soul. Single man. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We love you. Aloha.
Why